Good evening. Good evening to you. Upfront apologies for my low voice. I have a sore throat, so I'm trying my level best to give you the um, my thoughts and trade plan for tomorrow. But this is the max I can speak, max volume. So please bear with me. Let me show you first the weekly charts of both Nifty and Banknifty. Forget these lines and indicators. Just look at the candlesticks, nothing else. Nifty is in a happy zone, three consecutive green candles, three consecutive higher highs. Hmm. So there is no problem in Nifty. At the moment, as on close of last week, there is no problem. Nifty is okay, but Bank Nifty, I mean, there is no problem there as yet, but then it is weak. It's not showing the kind of strength that Nifty is showing on weekly charts. So stay alert to things. अगर फॉल आता है, in case of fall, बैंक निफ्टी पहले गिरेगा और ज्यादा गिरेगा. Are you getting me? Bank Nifty will fall first and it will fall more. So your puts should be on Bank Nifty. I repeated almost every day, every time, but I still find people taking Bank Nifty calls. Bank Nifty will only give you a facade, a kind of a mirage, two times out of 10, but eight times out of 10, it will frustrate you, it will ditch you, it will not perform. The rest is up to you, it is your money. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Look at the same in daily charts. Nifty has opened in green on Friday and it continued in green, made a new all-time high. However, Bank Nifty is nowhere near its previous all-time high. Repeating once again, banks में कुछ issue है. There is some problem in Bank Nifty, and the problem lies with HDFC Bank. Are you getting this? Because the HDFC Bank is the biggest bank and the biggest stock in the market today. Okay, maximum market capitalization. So if you see, I had been mentioning about this level 52248 for quite some time. Fortunately, Bank Nifty has managed to close above that, but it is just held by a very thin line. There was a beautiful move in Bank Nifty on Friday. From high to low, it was a move of 623 points. But having said that, Bank Nifty gained almost nothing after giving beautiful up move. It lost all the traction it had gained by the end of the day on Friday and closed at only 0.02%. जहां खुला था almost वहीं बंद हो गया. While Nifty made a move of 0.77%. Please understand these DNA of the market. If you do not understand this and if you blindly trade in any index, Nifty or Bank Nifty, you will not make money. This was a great candlestick pattern and it resulted in a great move exactly at our level 52803. This is exactly where it went and it made a high of 52278. सिर्फ 5 पॉइंट से ऑफ था जितना हमारा टारगेट था. बट वो लगा के सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया. इट्स weak as far as RSI is concerned, 57.85 कमजोर है बैंक निफ्टी. Till the bank nifty decides to support, Nifty on its own cannot give you one-sided move. Ideally, there is nothing wrong in Nifty as of now. As on the close of Friday, there is absolutely nothing wrong. On daily charts, Nifty is doing fine. On hourly charts, Nifty is doing fine. The challenge lies with Bank Nifty. अगर बैंक निफ्टी में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है तो वो निफ्टी को उठने नहीं देगा. Are you getting me? So you cannot look at optimism and Nifty in isolation. So it couldn't even sustain above 52529, this level where it was expected to sustain, because the first 2 hours it hit this level twice. It managed to went up to go up, sustain, but only next 1 hour or 2 hours it sustained and then it dipped. Trend is not negative overall for the market. I'm saying it again. I'm still optimistic to see these levels 620, 673, and 700. There are more levels also, 780, etc. But let's go step by step. 620, 673, and 700. These levels are achievable and I hope they will be achieved. I'm optimistic. But without correction, it is difficult. If the market opens gap up and opens near any of these levels, 24, 567, 620, or any of these levels, it is likely to correct immediately. So do not jump in the market with calls in case we get a good opening. That good opening should be used to exit your called positions or possibly build negative positions in case the market does not go beyond the mark levels and struggles here, either here or here or here or here, wherever. So, so intraday positions on the negative side can be built. In my view, if the market opens, keep the reference on Nifty. Do not bother about what Bank Nifty is doing. It's okay to know, but your decision should be based on Nifty. Nifty in hourly chart is strong, 62.35. It still has strength, but Bank Nifty has no strength. It is at 49.77. So, in case it does not open gap up, but the current all-time high remains all-time high and the market starts correcting, just in case, then your important levels are 479, 442, and 367. I'm optimistic about Nifty as long as the close is below 24331, is above 24331. 24331 and above is a good close and I would stay long positionally. However, if 24331 is not achieved tomorrow on closing basis, I would be very careful because the trend in that case could change, which is unlikely. Now, understand the DNA of the next week. 17th, Wednesday is Muharram and market is closed, no trading. So we have only Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday. As option buyers, anyway, time and theta decay works against us. अब 5 की जगह 4 दिन है. So your market, your premiums will decay 20% faster. 20% faster. Do not sit on any hope trade, because even if the market doesn't move an inch, your calls will decay. Understand this nature first before jumping with your money. I know आप सब लोग बड़े करोड़पति लोग हैं, पर अपने पैसे को फूंको नहीं भैया, प्लीज। एक छोटे छोटे लॉट से शुरू करके सीखो। सीखने में टाइम लगता है, और सीखने में पैसे फूंकने की जरूरत नहीं होती। So, on the call side, unless you get a strong move, do not be in a hurry to get into calls. Be skeptical. But yes, if you get a good move, good momentum, it's all yours. जाइए, जरूर लीजिए। Okay. My sense is, we, irrespective of what Gift Nifty is saying today or tomorrow, what is Gift Nifty telling us today? 546 versus 521. Chances हैं कि Gift Nifty will open or give a flat opening indication. कल open flat हो सकता है, a little bit higher or a little bit lower, doesn't matter. And chances are it will correct. Chances हैं, I mean, there is no surety, but there's good chances that it will correct. Wait for the correction to play out. If you're carrying any negative position, for example, Bank Nifty puts, you will, in that case, get an opportunity to exit at a profit. However, do not keep sitting on it in anticipation. Whenever you make a reasonable amount, either trail the position or exit at your target. If sadly you have taken Nifty puts, you may not make much, but market will go down if it has to. Even if it, my feeling is it will take support around these levels: 24479, 24442. Remember, this is the same level, 24442, 24443 level था हमारा कुछ दिन पहले on the way up. So it can probably take support here. Failing which, the support can come at 389 or 367. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि नीचे नहीं जा सकता, it can even go lower, but as long as the close is above 331, I'm okay. That is a deep discount area, and that is where the risk reward ratio for up move will be the best. Why am I sensing a lack of strength tomorrow morning? Is because the RSI for Bank Nifty is not above 60 in the early time frame. What about 30 minutes? um, Bank Nifty is definitely weaker. Nifty maybe it's just about managing around 60. Tricky hai. So there's a fair possibility we may see correction at open tomorrow. Okay. It's not a guarantee, it's just a anticipation. And the levels I've already shared with you. Keep the levels of Nifty in mind while you trade Bank Nifty on the put side. And for the long side, obviously keep the focus on Nifty. Um, this is the even weaker. But anyway, most important thing to see is जो पॉजिटिविटी आपको फ्राइडे को दिखी थी, that was primarily because of IT. You can see the fourth biggest stock, Infosys, rallied very well on Friday. It went up by 0.8%. No, sorry, just a minute. And this, I've opened HDFC unknowingly. This is Infosys. It went up by 3.57%. 3.5% से ज्यादा इसने क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे दिया है आपको, which is great news. So IT is on a breakout. If you see IT index, I don't have patience to show it right now, but check it out at your end. IT index is on a breakout. थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे आ सकता है to test the breakout level, and then it can resume its upward journey if the breakout is genuine. So IT is holding the market, and banks are the one which are letting it down. अब आप ये देखिए, on the daily chart, HDFC Bank could not close above 1624, our crucial level. On two consecutive days, it has closed just before below 1624 level. Now, the key point tomorrow is, will it close above this? Because if it starts closing above this, then there's a fair possibility it may go all the way up to 1682, 1680, 82. Possibility hai theoretically. And in which case, if HDFC Bank supports, Bank Nifty will be on fire. And if Bank Nifty supports, then obviously Nifty will probably reach 24,700 or even beyond. So keep an eye on HDFC Bank also. On daily charts, this has made some kind of a dodgy. While day before yesterday, that means on Thursday, it had made a great candlestick pattern. It was like a typical dragonfly doji kind of a thing, which shows a strong buying interest here. But it has to stay above 1624 for any kind of a 1624, and ideally above 1628 to show any kind of a traction. Same on hourly charts. On hourly charts, there is a possibility that the market could sustain above the level, and if it starts trading above 1638.4, which is the current swing high, then we could be back in business as far as HDFC Bank and Bank Nifty is concerned. However, if the current low of 1607, 1601 is broken, then there could be a big fall. Market में थोड़ा सा उथल पुथल रहेगा because of two reasons. One I said is because of Wednesday being छुट्टी. Another thing is budget is coming up. Budget, to my understanding, is on 22nd, if I'm not mistaken, which is Monday. So this week, the volatility could increase. Anticipation, emotions, all that will drive the market. Do not fall prey to over trading, revenge trading, because in truncated weeks, that is what happens psychologically on our minds. One wrong trade, we lose money, and then we want to recover that money. It doesn't happen. Just accept the loss, bow out of the market. Just bow out of the market and just say, आज मेरा दिन नहीं था. It's okay. Don't fight. So this is what my view is, and I just thought I'll make a short video and explain you what my thought is. Hopefully, I should also be available for the trade plan tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, which we do every day. Keep this message from the trade plan, this video in mind when you trade in the morning. Look at the price action. Trade what you see, not your emotions, not your thoughts, not your preconceived notions. My view is only a indication of what I am seeing right now. But what is most important is, what do you see on the charts at that time, right? Coach can only tell you what to do, but situational leadership is yours. You will look at the situation and take a decision. It is your money. Your money is part of your team. How you deploy that, and how you um, use your resources, it is exactly all up to you. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening, and see you in the live market tomorrow at 9 o'clock. All the best. And my humble apologies for bad throat once again. Please manage. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.